Coming to you today with an unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is from a store. They asked me to order from them. Or, I shouldn't say asked me to order from them, messaged me telling me about their store. And I ordered from them on AliExpress. The name is Stickery Store. I only ordered a small painting just because I wanted to try them out, and I haven't heard of them before. I haven't seen any other do unboxings to know the quality. So, just getting through I know it's in a box, so I don't mind cutting it like this. Oh, is it taped to the box? Oh, it is. I don't usually like cutting through the label, even though I took pictures of it before I put the sticker over it. Oh, wow. I've seen this kind of box before, so I don't know if it's just the manufacturer. Oh, definitely not easy to get into. There we go. Move the wrapper out of the way. So, a little dented, but I mean, definitely not a bad looking box overall. Nothing left in there. I'm hoping, even though my voice echoes a little more in this room that I'm in, that it's a little quieter, although the dogs usually never come down in this basement. The white fluffy guy decided he wanted to come down with me, sniffing around, but he's being quiet, so I can't complain. Oh, I don't have my ruler or the size this is supposed to be. I know it was a really small one that I ordered, and I probably should have ordered a little bigger. I think it was 25 by 25, but I'm not. I'll put it in the description if I was wrong with that. But I'm going to take this out first. Standard toolkit. The little bendy tweezers. I think that's a 6-placer closed boat. I'll move that over into here. I hope that was in frame. Very neatly packed. Never looks that neat when I'm done. Different colors for this one, and they're all labeled by number. So we got number 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. I'm gonna stop counting. Just show you the colors. So one thing I can say is in this room, the lighting, even though it's in a basement, the lighting is much more truer to the actual colors on the screen from what I can see here. So I do like that. We'll have to see on the canvas when I get to it if the DMC codes are on there or not. And right on the bags, it's just the number. But that doesn't mean they're not included. Lots of pretty colors. That one didn't quite go in the bag. 11. lots of pretty colors. I can't wait to do this one. It's gotta wait though. After Christmas. Once I get all the Christmas gifts done. The drills look really good in this too. Like, they look very uniform. Doesn't look like there's much garbage or holes in any of them. So I do have to say I'm pleased with that so far. One. There's a little bit in this one, but not much. And most stores do give an overage to cover those few odd ones that might be. That's such a pretty purple. Sorry, the glare. There we go. So those are the drills for it. I'm gonna move this to the side. Looking at this canvas, the back of it, absolutely no issues. And here's the front. I know without a doubt this would be oh, I'm holding it the wrong way. A much prettier in a larger color, a larger size than what I ordered. But I still think it's gonna be very pretty. Oh, okay, it looks good. I was saying I just want to start this one right away. I do find that the print is really small on these for the symbols. But there's no, like, I should think there's none, but I'm going to take a peek through anyways here. I'll show you guys the symbol list in a minute. Uh-oh. I almost put that on upside down. Or did I? No, almost, but didn't. And I can never get them back on as neatly. Do I have another square canvas down here? Not a good one to compare to, but no, the sizes are the same. It just looks smaller for some reason. Maybe just because it's a small painting. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see the symbol list very well. But it does have the DMC codes on the canvas, even though it doesn't have it on the bag, so that's awesome. Try to focus on the, oh, that made it worse. Sorry guys, let's put that back. There we go. So I'm thinking I was wrong with the size because this is obviously longer than it is height-wise. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to go this way with him looking down. I can't remember, or if he's supposed to go this way. But he's gonna be so pretty. I can't wait. I actually ordered this one in a larger size. I'm not gonna say what size, because I can't remember offhand, for a friend of mine. So it'll be fun to see what they think of it. I think they'll like it. Lots and lots of pretty colors. Like I said, the colors will not go back in the bag near as neatly as they came out, but they are all there. Well guys, that's another unboxing video for now. I shall talk to you guys in the next video. Bye for now.